Hi, I'm Kevin O'Donnell from Modobag.
And I'm Boyd Bruner.
So we've been working with Formech for our interior vacuum form panels, and it's just been an awesome experience.
Hi, my name is Richie Byan. I'm an engineer with Modobag. We're here at M-Hub where we do all of our product development, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at our product, the Modobag, and exactly what we do here. This is a carry-on suitcase that you can ride. So it's battery powered, it has a motor, it has steering, brakes, throttle. We are developing right now the interior panels. So you can see you have a front interior panel and a bottom panel. And both of these are vacuum formed here at M-Hub using Formech's awesome vacuum form machine. So we started out by milling a block of MDF and making our mold here, and we ran into a couple issues just in terms of the production quality. So when Formech introduced us to the alloy material, first of all, we were able to mill the block much faster than what we had used before, and we had worked through foam, MDF, and wrench shape. It was able to give us a very clean finish and a really nice quality mold. It cuts very easily, so as opposed to using aluminum where you're destroying blades and you're working with a harder material, alloy was like working with MDF or something even softer, but it's giving you qualities that will let you produce parts in the thousands. So we were really excited about that. Also, the finishing qualities of alloy, we were finding that we were able to sand things down and get really nice surface finishes and textures and go into our mold after the CNC was finished with it, and we were able to get smaller details and work with files, sandpaper, and different hand sanding techniques that we would not have been able to do with other materials.
And that came out pretty.
You can see that the finish quality is pretty much perfect. You don't see any holes because the material is porous. You don't see any marks from the actual suction. Everything came together pretty perfectly. The next steps that we go through with this is just trimming off the edge parts and then doing our cut lines. Working with Formech in the 686 machine, alloy has been a lifesaver for us. It's going to allow us to take our production to the next level. Nobody can resist riding the Modobag.